Shandong Yuan Company is a professional high borosilicate glassware supplier in Shandong Province, China. The main products include the glass storage container, glass baking dish, glass mixing bowls, glass storage jars, glass microwave oven trays, glassware with bamboo lids. We regularly develop new designs every year to keep our new products competitive in market. Also, our products pass the international tests for European standard, LFGB, DGCCRF. We have rich experience in OEM service by offering customers unique design, logo, and packing. All the glassware, safe use for oven, microwave, dishwasher, freezer. Non-porous, heat-resistant glass won't absorb odors or stains. Our 95% glassware exported to countries and regions all over the world, especially in Europe, North America, South America, and Southeast Asia. Based on our hard work and wonderful group spirit, we will promote and popularize our products in more countries and regions. Amazon, Walmart, Avon are our partners. We have a foothold in China market, as well as become one of the best suppliers for many well-known multinational companies, and enjoy a high reputation for our products with excellent design, good quality, competitive prices, and punctual delivery. We warmly welcome the customers from home and abroad to make a field inspection of our associated factory and establish a long-term and mutually beneficial business relationship between us.